Good morning, students. You have learned to carry out subtractions of 5-digit numbers. Using the same method, we can do subtractions of numbers with more than 5 digits. So let's see some examples. So first example is written 65 lakh 7,843 minus 9,25,586. So we will arrange these numbers vertically and then solve. Three. So it is 65 lakh and it is 9 lakh. So we will live. Yes. So it is a question. Now we will start subtraction from the right side, that is from the ones place. 3 minus 6, not possible, beta. So we will borrow 1 from this tens place. So it becomes 13 and this 4 becomes 3. Now 13 minus 6, it is 7. Now see, it becomes 3 and you have to subtract 8 from the 3. Again, it is not possible. So we will borrow 1 from this hundreds place. Now it becomes 13 and it becomes 7. Now 13 minus 8. What beta? 5. 7 minus 5. 2. Again 7 minus 5. 2. 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 not possible. So we will borrow 1 from this one's 5 place. So it is 4. 10 minus 2. 8. Now 4 minus 9. Again not possible. So we will borrow 1 from this 6. So it becomes 14 and it becomes 5. 14 minus 9. 5. And 5 minus 0? 5. So answer is 55 lakh 82,257. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the 7-digit numbers and 6-digit number. So let's see one more example better. Example number 2. Eight lakh 57,513 minus 4 lakh 82,256. So again we will arrange vertically. Subtract. So again we will start subtraction from the right side, means ones place. Again 3 minus 6 not possible. So we will borrow 1 from this. It becomes 13 and it becomes 0. 13 minus 6. It is 7. 0 minus 5 not possible. So we will borrow 1 from this side. It becomes 4. 10 minus 5. 5. 4 minus 2. 2. 7 minus 2. 5. 5 minus 8. Not possible. So again we will borrow 1 from this 8. It becomes 5 and it becomes 7. 15 minus 8. 7 and 7 minus 4. 3. So our answer is it is 3,75,257. Got it, beta? Okay, now let's see some word problems or subtraction. First word problem is Pratmesh wants to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still need to be able to buy the laptop? So Pratmesh wants $27,450. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? Okay. Now see beta, Pratmesh has 22,975 and the cost of laptop is 27,450. So how much amount he need to buy the laptop? So what we do? We will subtract the cost of the laptop and amount Pratmesh has. So cost of laptop answer is rupees 27,450 and Pratmesh rupees 22,975. So if we subtract, we will get the how much money he need to buy the laptop. So we will subtract here better. Okay, again we will start the subtraction from the left side. So 0 minus 5 is not possible. So again we will borrow 1 from this. So it becomes 5 and it becomes 4. Okay. 10 minus 5. 5. 4 minus 7 not possible. So again we will borrow 1. So it becomes, this 4 becomes 3. 40 minus 7, 7. 3 minus 9 not possible. So again we will carry over 1 from 7. So it becomes 6. Now 13 minus 9. 4. 6 minus 2, 4. And 2 minus 2, 0. So how much more amount he need to buy the laptop? He need 4,475. So Prathamesh need answer. See, it is word problem, so you have to write the answer in words. Therefore, Prathamesh needs rupees 4,475 to buy the laptop. See, beta, it is the symbol for rupees. Okay. Now let's see the another question. Now see better the question number 2. A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next year. How many scooters did they produce in the previous year? So what should we do? So for this we have to subtract so that we will get a number that much they produced in the previous year. So a company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year. And 43,150 in the next year. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? So it is the question. So let's start solving. So answer, scooter produced in the first year is what better? It is 44,730. And produced in the scooters produced in the next year How many scooters they produced in the next year? It is 43,150. And we will find the difference. So we will get the answer that much scooters they produced in the previous year. So again, start subtraction from the right side. 0 minus 0 beta, 0. 3 minus 5, not possible. So we will carry over 1 from this side. It becomes 13 and it becomes 6. 13 minus 5, 8. 6 minus 1, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. And 4 minus 4, 0. So 1,580 scooters they produced in the previous year. So answer, the company produced 1,580 scooters in the previous year. So got it, beta? In this way, you have to solve the word problems on subtraction. Okay, so I am giving you some homework to solve. Thirteen lakh 17,519 minus 10 lakh 7,423. Second, 68 lakh 34,501 minus 23 lakh 57,823. Third one, beta, 45 lakh 43,821 minus 12,938. Fourth question, 70 lakh 12,345 minus 28 lakh 64,547. And the last one is 38 lakh 1,230 minus 37 lakh 54,648. So you have to subtract the given okay, beta. So these are the questions you have to solve.